But the real beauty comes in when you run that through a cabinet, you know what I'm saying? So that's a matter of fact. Yeah, we're gonna run the rest of these um, also through the bass amp. We're gonna run them as a preamp. Run them as a preamp to the. Oh man, I ain't got twisted up here. Boop, 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 boop. Ah, we in there. Cha-cha. Let's go. Mind you guys, I did this video before, like an hour ago. I did a whole hour video, and then the joint decided that it didn't want to show you guys it, so it decided that I was gonna do it again. So I'm doing it again. That's how much I love my fans. That's how much I love y'all supporting me, and I appreciate it. You know, and I can't do it without y'all. So subscribe, like, and share. Ta-da! So we're going to throw that in there, and then we're going to also add a send and send it out to the amp. Right? So we're not going to send the IR. We're going to send the dry signal only. So essentially, I'm going to use this like a switcher. And oh no! Oh, guys, I hate when that happens. I hate when that happens. But it already good. Okay, it already put the overdrive there. Bam. But I just need to change this back to there. And take that off. Put that on. Bass. Treble. Cut mids. Let's do the mids up, and let's bring the bass was fine around there. Let's bring this treble back. We don't need all that and all this presence. We don't even need this much distortion. Bring that volume down. Let's bring that split up. Okay. So we're gonna run it two different ways. So we're gonna run the IR first, right now, and then I'll switch to the real cabinet, which is mic'd up with a Zoom H5. Sorry guys. No, well, I was like, why is like extra booty on here? All right, so I had on two preamps. Sorry. This is the SGT on the SVT side with the same settings I just was using, and I'm using this Aguilar 410s with a tweeter as the IR cabinet, mic'd up with a SM57 and a RE20. So it's two impulses together. B15 side. Yep. So that, and then you got this Sans amp driver. He, well, before we move on, let's go to the actual amp. And we just would mute that. SVT side. So there you go. That's the amp, the real cabinet in the room, and let's go back to the IR and the Sans amp. All right, the Sans amp as a bass amp.